Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Oppo A52 versus the Vivo S1. And the Vivo S1 is powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset with 4GB of RAM, while the Oppo A52 give you a Snapdragon 665 chipset with 4GB of RAM. On the back we have a quad cameras on the back on the Oppo A52 versus a triple cameras on the Vivo S1. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Like always, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And load them up first on the Oppo A52 followed by the Vivo S1. And the Vivo S1 is running on Android 9 Pie, while the Oppo A52 is running on Android 10. And you can see we have this new animation with the Android 10, while the Vivo S1 it is still running on Android 9 Pie. I don't see the Android 10 update, and you can see and still Vivo S1 is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Oppo A52 now it is also done about 2 or 3 second difference there between these two devices. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a very beautiful display, but we have a full HD Super AMOLED display on the Vivo S1, which is one of the best displays on the market right now, while the Oppo A52 give you a full HD IPS HD display, but we have a punch hole display on the front. And you can see on the left hand side everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both these two devices. We have phone dialer application on both phones. Here we go. You can see that is a little bit faster on the Vivo S1. Now let's see the settings. That is huge faster on the Oppo A52 followed by the Vivo S1. The mic lock on both phones, and that is faster on the Vivo S1 this time. The calendar on both phones, that is again faster on the Vivo S1. Now let's see my files. Seems like a little bit faster on the Oppo A52. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. Amazon shopping and same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and that is huge faster on the Vivo S1 followed by the Oppo A52. Now let's see the scrolling, and you can see it feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Instagram faster on the Vivo S1 again. Now let's check out the Snapchat. That is a little bit faster on the Vivo S1, and the Vivo S1 is performed really good in system based applications. So now let's check out some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. Vivo S1 is faster there. Now let's check out the Subway Surfer, and that is faster on the Vivo S1, and you can see faster on the Vivo S1. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2. That is again faster on the Vivo S1, and you can see, and the Oppo A52 it's not doing very well with a Snapdragon 665 chipset, and you can see about 4 or 5 second difference here, which is huge between these two devices. Spotify again faster on the Vivo S1. Up the Twitter faster on the Vivo S1. Zedge, and that is about the same on both phones, and you can see no difference there. Last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Here we go, and about the same on both phones, and you can see no difference there. Let's see the internet browsing speed. I'm using default Vivo internet browser on the Vivo S1 versus a Google Chrome on the Oppo A52, and the first website we have is the wikipedia.org like always, and that is faster on the Oppo A52, little bit faster there. Let's see the scrolling, feels very smooth on both phones. Now let's see the Amazon shopping, and same Wi-Fi network on both phones, and you can see Oppo A52 it is faster in the internet browsing speed, while the Vivo S1 now it is also done about 1 or 2 second difference there. Let's see the scrolling, feels very smooth on both phones. You don't have any issues, and both phones give you a 4GB of RAM. So very interesting to see who is perform better. In the RAM measurement we have phone dialer that got refresh on the Oppo A52, Settings, again refresh. My clock, no refresh on both phones. Let's see the calendar, refresh. My files, refresh again. Amazon shopping, refresh. Instagram, no refresh. Snapchat, refresh. In case your RAM management is really bad on the Oppo A52, let's see the Candy Crush Saga. Subway Surfer, that is again refresh. Let's see the Temper and 2. Let's see the Spotify, that is only refresh on the Oppo A52. Let's see the Tutor, Zach. Last way back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see overall I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is definitely much faster on the Vivo S1 thanks to MediaTek Helio P65 chipset, while the Oppo A52 it is right behind to the Vivo S1. I don't really impressed by the performance of the Oppo A52. I wish that Oppo A52 give you a Snapdragon 720G chipset, which is really faster, that we also see on Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. RAM management is absolutely incredible on the Vivo S1 thanks to a good optimization, while the Oppo A52 it is not performed good in the RAM management. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Oppo A52 versus the Vivo S1. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for future content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.